Hey there. In this video, we're going to talk about the tool framework, how it works, and why you should use it in your pay-per-click strategy. So the tool framework is an acronym that stands for targeting, ads, landing pages, and lifetime value. These 4 pillars are key to creating successful campaigns on Google. And the cool thing is, by making small improvements in each of these areas, you can multiply the results together and get some seriously impressive results. The key to the tool strategy is that each improvement builds on the last. You're not just adding up the improvements, you're multiplying them together, which is why you get such a huge impact. We've designed Speed PPC to help you make those improvements in the 4 areas that we've found are the easiest to get results in. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have a campaign that generates $10,000 in revenue. If you improve your targeting by 15% by focusing on better keywords that actually create sales, you'll see a profit improvement of $1,500. Now let's say you improve your ad click-through rates by 15% by using better structured campaigns with better ad copy. That takes your profit improvement to $3,225. You see how it's multiplying, not just adding? Next, let's say you improve your landing page conversion rates by 15% by making the pages more dynamic and optimizing the design and the copy. That takes your profit improvement to $5,208.75. And finally, let's say you improve your sales funnel to increase customer lifetime value by 15%. That takes your profit improvement to $7,490.06. And this is just a conservative example. If you continue to improve your campaigns over time and reach a 50% improvement across all pillars, you could generate over $40,000 in profit from this campaign. Now, it's important to note that the tool framework isn't just about generating profits. It's also about increasing the volume of your campaigns. As you improve your campaigns, you'll be able to bid higher and get more volume, which leads to even more profits. In conclusion, the tool framework is a powerful strategy for creating successful campaigns on Google. By making small improvements in key areas, you can have a game-changing effect on your campaigns. We hope this video has helped you understand the tool framework and how you can apply it in your business. Thanks for watching.